Hi, welcome to back my channel. Your tutorial point. Today topic was the cyber security tools, the ethical hacking and cyber security persons and forensic persons and cyber security learning students, cyber security beginner professionals and mid-level professional point. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back my channel everyone. Today is the most important, most useful nowadays the cyber security experts and cyber security tools and cyber security ethical hackers are most important in the online fraud is how to reduce the cyber security persons and ethical hacking persons the utilizing these apps the mainly 35 apps. It is mostly this video is the educational purpose. Don't misuse these tools. It is the cyber crime as per sessions are there. That's why you don't utilizing this cyber crime and cyber activities. Only you can use this cyber security purpose these tools. Don't misuse. Let us go to the video. The first one is the nap. The nap is the networking scanner creator. Croydon Lab app is used to discover host and services on the computer networking by sending packets and analyzing this response. These all are the short information of the very useful information. Don't miss this certified tools in cybersecurity learners and cybersecurity faculties also. This is very useful. Please subscribe, please share our video. The another tool is the metasploit. The metasploit project is computer security project that is provide information about the security vulnerability and aids in the prevent testing and IDS signature development. The third one is the wireshark. This wireshark is a free and open source pocket analyzer. It is used in networking troubleshooting, analyzing software and communicating protocols, developing and education. The fourth one is the everybody should know Kali Linux. This is Kali Linux is distribution designing digital forensic and prevention of testing of the maintenance of this founded by offensive security. This is very mostly used commonly in cyber forensic team also. This software is used Kali Linux. The uh, Ripper. John the Ripper is a free password cracking software tool. Is a originally developed by the Unix operator system. It is can run on the 15 different platform. This very useful. Don't misuse this software. You crack an administrative passwords is a very essential software. The sixth one is the Nikto. Nikto is the free software command line vulnerability scanner that scans web servers for the dangerous files, CGIS, outdated server software, and other platforms. It performs generic and services type. So, if I check it all, capture the print and cookies record. Brump suite of software security applications used for preventive testing web application. Both free and paid versions are available in this software. Especially very useful. The mostly used this 35 tools are mostly used in this starting or beginner mid-level persons. The please this video is very useful everybody to who are the know the cyber security tools to interested. That's why you can watch this video some nearly 18 minutes ago till the end. Don't get bored. That is the knowledge is the most important to provide this. It is trust. You can subscribe, share your colleagues, your friends. Thanking you once again, your VGR tutorial. The eighth one is the TOR. The TOR is the free overall networking for enabling autonomous communication browser. It is the eighth one is TCP dump. The TCP dump data networking pocket analyzer computer programming and runs under the command lines interface. It allows the users display TCP and the other pocket being transmission for the receive over the network, which is computers attractive. The air cracking .ng. The air cracking is networking software suite consisting of detector, pocket sniffer, web and WAP2, PSK, crack and analyzing tool for the 802.11 wireless LAN. It is very useful in the wireless networking. The 11th one, SP Lunk. The SP Lunk software can be used examining in the monitoring and searching for mission generating big data throughout browse like a interface. The Axonetics. Octonetics is the automated web application security testing tool that is audit your web applications by checking for the vulnerabilities like SQL inject, case of site, cross-site scripts, and other exploitable vulnerabilities. The 13th, Snata. The Snata is the open source free and lightweight networking intrusions detection system. NIDS, this full form, the software for the Linux and Windows to detect the emerging threats. The Mimikcast, this is the 14th software. Mimikcast is the provide your organizer with the security continuously and achieving cloud services in the mail management system, designing the protect emails and ensure access the simple of the task of the managing email. The 15th one, the malware byte. The malware byte is the Malwarebytes is the trusted antivirus that is good for the average online users when you want some time that want to take much time and focus remove malware and other online threats. Malwares may be perfect choice. The open bass. This is the open bass is the system vulnerability scanner that check the visibility of what services can access no for exploit and high-level web threats like a cross the site script and vulnerability and improve file. This seaport Sonora, the seaport Sonar nodes CVM platform. This provide continuous visibility IT infrastructure and identify the vulnerabilities and misconfiguration and secure risk express the mighty get loopholes to the reduce the attack surface measures complications and the autonomous remedies. The under defensive empower business of all size and maturity of levels against modern cyber threats. The intrude the intrude online vulnerability scanner. It is easy to set up and use. All you need to know what is the scan infrastructure, web apps or APIs. The Manging vulnerability, Mangreen Plus is the software is the end-to-end vulnerability management tool delivering the compares coverage and continuously visibility, rigorous assessment, and integral remediation of the threats and the vulnerability from the single console. The magazine logos 360. The log 360 is a manage engine is comprehensive secure information even the managing SIEM solutions. Log 360 can monitoring your entire networking, provide the visibility, circle help to the you detecting help the solar Solar Wind Secure Event Manager, the USB detecting and prevent security events manager can help to prevent a endpoint data loss and protect the sensitivity data with real time notice when USB devices contain the ability automatically block their usage built in the reporting added USBs. The Nortron security. The Nortron antivirus is anti-malware software. The product founded by the Peter not developed and distributing the systematic since 1990 as the part of the Norton families of the computer security product. The MacApp. This MacApp tool protect antivirus defend against the virus, online threats, and the ransomware. The both cloud-based and online-based offline protection. It is the MacApp utilizing the AVG antivirus software. The AVG Internet Security blocks virus and malware. Keep your email secure, protect your personal files, the password and the webcam from the hackers, and let us you shop and bank online without worry. The system mechanic ultimate defense. The system mechanic ultimate defense is a suite of 18 PC optimized tools that clean and optimize Windows to run faster and better. Use system mechanic to fix register errors, remove junk files, fix long startup files. This the improving browsing performance. The Viper. The Viper of anti-phishing protection as well as anti-spam protection outlook. The Neutron LifeLock. The LifeLock is covered by key activate to identify the depth protection. The Bit Defender Total Security. The Bit Defender is ensure your device and data protection with the excellent malware detection and remove the Bit Defender Total Security. The Bit Defender will ensure your device and data protection with the excellent malware detection remote rate. NotLayer. The NotLayer secure remote access solutions born out of the Node security power house and consumer product Node VPN. The Perimeter 81. The Perimeter Perimeter 81 is the robust that easy to use converged networking and networking security platform which is connect all users in the office or remote to all resources locations one forum of the cloud. The CIS. The CIS is the association of that coordinate the facilitation of the free movement of the goods, services, labor force, and capital between the member state. It also promote cooperation and secure matters. The web root protecting your username, account numbers, and the other personal information against online threats. The GNUPG Gun PG allows you encrypt and sign your data and communication. The feature velocity key management systems along with access modules for all kind of public key directories. The Spot Sprot antivirus, the Sprot aims to detect certain types of malware. The Android applications are verified that apps contain such a malware. Please subscribe. This video is the long video. Don't miss it till the end. You can watch. You can gain some cyber security tools information thoroughly in the very short form, very in depth and quite small and smaller method. This total 35 cyber security tools. You can trust this. Really you are useful to cybersecurity tools. Knowledge you can get. You can subscribe, you can share your relatives, your friends, your colleagues also. Thanking you once again. So many videos, this type of videos is coming as soon as possible. Follow our channel. Thanking you. You are visual tutorial point available in this software.